Overexercising can have several detrimental effects on your tissues, muscles, joints, and even your bones. Here's a breakdown of how it can happen. 1. Muscle strain and microtrauma. When you push your muscles too hard, especially without adequate rest, the tiny fibers in your muscles, called microfibers, can tear. This is a normal part of muscle growth, hypertrophy, but excessive or rapid overloading without proper recovery can cause the tears to accumulate and become more severe. Potential damage. This can lead to conditions like delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, and more seriously, it could progress to muscle strains or even muscle tears if the tissue doesn't have time to repair itself. 2. Tendon and ligament damage. Tendons and ligaments connect muscles to bones and provide support to joints. Overexercising can stress these tissues, leading to inflammation or tiny tears. Tendons, in particular, take longer to heal because they have a limited blood supply. Potential damage. This can result in tendinitis, inflammation of the tendon, tendinosis, degeneration of the tendon, or ligament sprains. Overuse of the same muscles or joints, especially without proper warm-ups or cool-downs, increases the risk of these injuries. 3. Cartilage damage. Overexercising, especially high-impact or repetitive exercises, can place stress on your joints. This wear and tear can damage the protective cartilage that cushions your joints. Potential damage. Over time, this can lead to joint problems like osteoarthritis, where the cartilage wears down, causing pain, stiffness, and swelling. 4. Bone stress and stress fractures. Intense, repetitive physical activity can lead to bone stress, especially if there is insufficient recovery time or poor nutrition, like inadequate calcium or vitamin D. Overuse can also cause stress fractures, which are small cracks in the bone. Potential damage. Stress fractures can cause severe pain and require weeks or months to heal properly. They are often seen in athletes who engage in long-distance running or high-impact sports. 5. Overtraining syndrome. Overexercise without adequate rest can lead to overtraining syndrome, OTS, where your body's recovery mechanisms become overwhelmed. This can also impair your immune system, making you more prone to injury and illness. Potential damage. OTS can cause muscle fatigue, hormonal imbalances, decreased performance, and chronic pain in tissues. This is often a result of pushing too hard, without balancing workouts with rest and proper nutrition. 6. Increased inflammation. Chronic overexercise leads to inflammation, which can be systemic, throughout the body, and localized around the muscles, tendons, and joints. If inflammation persists, it can cause long-term damage to tissues. Potential damage. Persistent inflammation can lead to tissue degradation, scar tissue formation, and chronic pain conditions. 7. Nerve compression or damage. If you perform certain exercises with poor form or over-exercise specific muscle groups without adequate rest, it can lead to nerve compression. For example, lifting heavy weights improperly or overtraining the neck and back muscles could pinch nerves. Potential damage. This can cause pain, numbness, tingling, or weakness in the affected area. If left untreated, nerve damage can become permanent. However, if you're purposely about long hours training and muscle tormenting, do well to adopt these measures. 1. Rest and recovery. Your body needs time to repair itself. Ensure you take rest days between intense workouts. 2. Proper nutrition. Eating enough protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals is essential for muscle repair and energy replenishment. 3. Warm up and cool down. This helps prepare your muscles and joints for exercise and aids in the recovery process afterward. 4. Cross-training. Varying your workouts reduces the risk of overuse injuries by giving specific muscle groups time to recover. 5. Listen to your body. If you're feeling pain, not just soreness, it's important to stop and rest. Pushing through pain can worsen injuries. Do not scroll past without liking and commenting to this channel.